Dear colleagues, the main priority for the Georgian government is protection of human rights. The judiciary is now free from the political influence. The new government has started investigation of the cases on the prevention of lives and inhuman treatment and torture. We do not have a right to stand somebody above the law, Saakashvili or Akhalaya. Everyone is equal under the law. The mention surnames of the principle that no one should vote on the decision of the court. And in the case of Akhalaya, the rules of decision are not violated. President Saakashvili pardoned him at the end of this presidential term, but there were others committed by Akhalaya charged on the Girguliani case, Tetradze case, on 4 innocent free men killing case, 2006. These are hardest charges. The judicial review has begun about some cases, and how can the Assembly write his name in the resolution? This will be considered as a pressure on the independent court. There is now political persecution in Georgia. This was in the period of Saakashvili, but the new government announced the amnesty and released political prisoners. Today, the court hearings are public and transparent, with media coverage. Pact, the chairman of the Supreme Court, is a brother of the leaders of the opposition party. We continue reforms and protection of human rights. I call the Assembly not to mention concrete names in the resolution. Government does not have the right to hide crime and not investigation. We should respect common principles that every person should be equal to the law. We believe the resolution of the Assembly aims to protect everyone's right, our society rights, and not no concrete political groups. Thank you.